What, you may ask, is this? Here in the middle of Oban, on the top of a hill, just overlooking this beautiful bay, across towards the ferry and overlooking the islands. You might ask, what on earth is what looks like the Colosseum in Italy? I'm sure you must have seen that. What is that doing here? It's crazy. This rather remarkable tower, called McCraig's Tower, overlooking Oban, is perched on top of Battery Hill. After you've stopped at Hinba coffee shop overlooking the harbour and you're fully charged and ready for a walk up the hill, definitely take a look at this little place. It's really quite amazing. This building is made of Benawe granite quarried from Lachetiv. The building has a circumference of about 200 meters with 2 tiers of lancet type arches with 44 on the lower level, which also accommodates an entrance to the structure, and 50 above or along the top. The height varies around the circumference and it takes account of the contours of the hill on which it stands.